In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Uber One membership directly from the convenience of your smartphone. Whether you're cutting back on expenses or just taking a break from the service, knowing how to efficiently cancel your membership is essential. We'll go through each step with tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. First things first, you'll want to open the Uber or Uber Eats app on your phone. Make sure that you're logged into the account you wish to cancel the membership for. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice the account or profile icon. It typically looks like a little person or silhouette. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're in the account menu, look for the option that says Uber One. This might be listed under your subscriptions or memberships, so keep an eye out for it. Once you find Uber One, tap on it and you'll be taken to a new screen that provides details about your membership. As you scroll down this page, you'll find an option labeled Manage Membership. Click on that to make adjustments or changes to your membership status. This will lead you to the page where you can finally end your membership. Now you'll see an option that says End Membership. Select that and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. It's a simple process, but make sure you go through all the steps until you receive a confirmation that your membership has been canceled. Here are a few crucial considerations to keep in mind during this process. It's important to cancel at least 24 hours before your next renewal date. This timing is crucial because it prevents you from being charged for another billing cycle. If you happen to cancel less than 24 hours before your renewal, you might notice a charge. Don't panic. This charge is typically automatically refunded, so check your account statement after a few days if needed. Rest assured, your membership benefits will continue until the end of the current billing period, even after you've initiated cancellation. However, for those who are on a free trial, your benefits will end immediately after cancellation, so plan accordingly. Lastly, you might come across an option to pause your membership instead of canceling it. If you are set on fully canceling, ensure you select the End Membership option and not just the Pause feature. This guarantees that no future charges will occur, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully canceled your Uber One membership without any hassle. Remember these tips and considerations to ensure a smooth cancellation process. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.